Hello, my name is Mr. Joseph. I am a ninth grade counselor here at Southeastern, along with Mrs. Fernandez.
The other ninth grade guidance counselor. And we just wanted to talk about the process that we are doing next week with our freshman class on how to pick their next vocational program for the next phase of their exploratory program. So Monday through Wednesday of next week, our freshmen will be making their choices through their directed study classes. Me and Mr. Joseph will be in those classes to check in and make sure all our students get their choices in. So in case any of our students are absent, please email me or Mr. Joseph with your top 6 choices of vocational programs you'd like to try next. So from November 8th to November 10th, we'll meet with them in the directed study. We would like all students this weekend to work on their top 6 programs. It's not guaranteed that you will get all 5 of your programs, but you should get at least 3 or 4 out of your 6. So it's most likely you might get one that you didn't pick. But you'll get majority of your 5, at least, like I said, at least 3 or 4 of the programs. Mr. Joseph's going to walk you through the process of how to do this, but all students needs to be in the school on our website to get this done. So if you're not going to be here Monday through Wednesday for any reason and you don't get it done, please email us with your choices so we can make sure that it's in by Wednesday, the end of school day, because if it's not in by the end of school day Wednesday, it's not guaranteed you'll get the programs you do choose.
All right, so I'm going to screen share kind of what the website looks like. Again, as Ms. Fernandez said, we're going to be doing this with the directed study teachers because you do have to be on campus to access this website. So I'll give you don't have to memorize any of this stuff. This is stuff that we'll do with the students in the building. When we go to your directed study classrooms next week, we're going to have all students log into this website here. It's exploratory.sersd.org/pickshops.aspx. And every student that's in our school right now has the ability to enter in their ID and last name. One of the issues that does happen when we are using this is the last name that you enter into this section here where it says, please enter your last name. Has to match exactly what we have in our system. So I often ask students, whatever's mailed to you, if you receive mail from the school, whatever name is on that is the last name we're going to enter. Okay, so again, this is the website we'll use, and then we enter in the ID and password. So I'll show you what shows up after you've entered in a username and an ID number and a password. So this is the screen that ends up showing up. Your top 6 choices, okay? And you do want to enter them in the order. Please select your first choice, second choice, etc. We'll just pick 6. When you have picked your top 6, you're going to hit the click to finish button. Once you do that, you hit click to finish. You look at the bottom here where it says you have chosen the following. When you see it in the blue, that's when you know what was entered into our system. This is what we will get. That's how we're positive of your choices. That's how you can confirm your choices. If it's wrong, you can go back and make that switch. It's only going to take the last entered choices. But if you do have to go back and switch, you have to change all 1 through 6 every time you make any type of change to that. Okay. So again, this site is exploratory.sersd.org/pickshops.aspx. We're going to enter IDs and last names. And as Ms. Fernandez had said, a little bit of technical difficulty here. If for some reason you're not able to be here during those 3 days, you can send us an email with your 1 through 6, and we will enter them for you. And the big part of that is if you don't get that to us by Wednesday, we can't guarantee any shop placement at that point. You'll have shops to go to, but we can't guarantee that there'll be ones you're interested. Okay. You'll be getting a letter from us that has our email addresses. If you have any questions for us, feel free to reach out.
And the link will also be on the letter. So.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.